What is the Avril Lavigne replacement conspiracy theory, and how did it begin?
The Avril Lavigne replacement conspiracy theory is one of those internet-fueled urban legends that claims the singer Avril Lavigne was secretly replaced by a lookalike at some point in her career. The theory suggests that after her initial rise to fame in the early 2000s, she either passed away or left the public eye, and a double named Melissa took her place. This theory apparently began around 2005-2006 on some internet forums, and picked up steam over the years as fans started comparing photos, analyzing differences in her appearance, and pointing out changes in her musical style. Of course, there's absolutely no evidence to support it, and it's generally considered just a wild and fun conspiracy theory that keeps resurfacing.
Why do some fans believe Avril Lavigne was replaced by a lookalike named Melissa?
Well, part of the reason is that fans really love to dig into little changes in a celebrity's appearance or personality over time. In Avril Lavigne's case, some fans noticed that she looked a bit different in later years compared to when she first became famous. They pointed out things like differences in her facial features or even changes in her autograph style. Also, her musical style evolved a bit, and she started wearing different fashion compared to her early skater punk days, which made some people think, oh, maybe it's not really her anymore. It's kind of a mix of playful speculation and a classic internet rumor that just took on a life of its own.
What evidence do conspiracy theorists point to when supporting this claim?
So the so-called evidence that conspiracy theorists usually point to is pretty anecdotal, but they definitely have their little list. For instance, they look at before and after photos of Avril and say that her nose or her jawline looks a bit different over the years. They also point out differences in her fashion style or even her voice, sounding a bit different on certain albums. Some theorists even analyze handwriting samples, claiming that Avril's signature changed over time, and they say that means it's a different person. Of course, all of this is just speculation. People change styles naturally and evolve over time, and there's no real proof behind it. But it's definitely one of those theories where fans just have fun connecting the dots.
How has Avril Lavigne herself responded to these rumors?
Yeah, so Avril has actually addressed these rumors a few times, and she's taken it pretty lightly. I mean, she's basically laughed it off and said it's just a crazy rumor. In interviews, she's mentioned that she finds it kind of funny that people believe something so outlandish, and she's very much alive and well, and definitely not replaced by anyone named Melissa. So yeah, her response has been pretty chill and just treating it like the funny internet myth that it is.
Why do celebrity replacement conspiracies like Avril spread so easily online?
Yeah, it's a good question. I think a big part of it is just how the internet loves a juicy mystery or a wild story. Conspiracy theories in general spread easily because they're kind of entertaining and people like feeling like they're in on a secret or uncovering something hidden. With celebrities, it's even easier because fans are always paying attention to every detail of their appearance or behavior. And on social media, these stories just spread like wildfire because people share them, talk about them, and kind of have fun with them. So it's really that mix of curiosity, entertainment, and the viral nature of the internet that makes these kinds of theories take off so easily.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting new fascinating topics and questions every day.